Hi gorgeous, welcome to new stream of ideas. Here are some scarf styles for you. So fold your scarf, wear it. Now cross both of the sides and pass its one side from down to upper side and wrap it again around your neck and pass it through the folded part like this. Now set both of the edges and you are done. In the next one, wrap your scarf once around your neck. Now roll both of the sides and tuck behind to make two loops like this. Now pass both of the edges through the loop and set the edges and your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. Next again, wrap your scarf once around your neck and pass both of the sides from down to upper side and hold the position with your hand. Now pass again both of the sides down the scarf like this. Now set both of the sides and your beautiful look is ready. In the next one, we are using a long scarf. So take opposite edges and tie a knot behind your neck. Now take the other two edges and tie a knot behind your waist and wear your coat and your stylish look is ready. In the next one, we are using a long scarf. Fold it and wrap it once around your neck. Now cross both of the sides and pass its one side from down to upper side and make a loop and pass both of the sides through the loop. Set your scarf and your look is ready. In the next one again, wrap your scarf once around your neck. Roll both of the sides around the scarf like this. And now here we are having a loop and pass both of the sides through the loop to the opposite sides and it is done. So here we are using a long scarf. Here we have made a loop and pass both of the sides through the loop or folded part and it is done. Here we are making two loops by folding the scarf like this. Now take both of the loops, wear your scarf and pass both of the edges through the loops. Now set your scarf and your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like these scarf styles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.